Your radiator plays a critical role in keeping your engine cool. If it starts to fail, your engine could be in serious trouble. Welcome back to FixPro Garage. In today's video, we're covering a problem that can save you a lot of money if you catch it early: radiator failure. We'll go over 5 clear warning signs that indicate it may be time to replace your radiator. Sign number 1. Engine running hot. One of the most common signs of radiator trouble is an engine that regularly runs hotter than normal. If your temperature gauge frequently moves toward the hot zone, even when the coolant level is correct, your radiator may no longer be cooling efficiently. A radiator that can't remove heat properly allows engine temperatures to rise, increasing the risk of severe engine damage. Ignoring repeated overheating can lead to expensive repairs. Sign number 2. Coolant leaks. Notice green, orange, or pink fluid underneath your vehicle. That's another major warning sign. Radiators can develop leaks as they age, especially around seams, hoses, or connection points. Small leaks may seem harmless at first, but they usually become worse over time. Even a minor leak can prevent the cooling system from maintaining proper pressure, reducing its ability to cool the engine. Sign number 3. Dirty or contaminated coolant. Healthy coolant should appear clean and brightly colored, depending on the type being used. If you inspect the coolant reservoir and notice rusty, brown-colored coolant, or oily sludge, that's a serious warning sign. Contaminated coolant often indicates internal corrosion inside the radiator. This buildup can restrict coolant flow throughout the cooling system, reducing performance and potentially causing additional damage to other components. Sign number 4. Visible damage or corrosion. A simple visual inspection can reveal a lot. Rust, bent cooling fins, or any visible damage on the radiator should never be ignored. The cooling fins are responsible for releasing heat. When they become damaged, radiator efficiency drops significantly. If corrosion is visible on the outside, internal deterioration may already be occurring as well. Sign number 5. Temperature changes while idling. Here's a warning sign many drivers overlook. If your temperature gauge rises while sitting in traffic but drops once the vehicle starts moving, your radiator may be partially restricted. Internal corrosion or debris can reduce coolant flow through the radiator. When the vehicle is idling, airflow is limited, allowing temperatures to increase once you're driving. Additional airflow helps cool the radiator, temporarily masking the problem. So, to quickly recap: 1. Repeated engine overheating. 2. Visible coolant leaks. 3. Dirty or contaminated coolant. 4. External damage or corrosion. 5. Temperature fluctuations, especially at idle. Identifying these warning signs early can help prevent costly engine repairs and keep your vehicle running reliably. Remember, every cooling system is only as reliable as its weakest component. Have you experienced any of these symptoms? Share your experience in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to FixPro Garage and turn on notifications so you never miss future automotive tips. Thanks for watching, and remember, paying attention to small warning signs today can help prevent major repairs tomorrow.